Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to cover NUMERai. You might have heard of them, you might have not, but either way, watch this video to the very end because we're going to cover things that you probably have not thought of before, or maybe you just need a reminder. And if you have never heard of NUMERai, they use AI to basically make hedge funds obsolete. So they are using algorithms and input from all over the world in a decentralized manner and make decisions in stocks based off of that. So instead of working just as one team, you can now collaborate with the whole world and make better decisions. This, of course, all depends on how many people are actually using the platform and putting in their algorithms, their decision-making models and all of that. If not enough people are doing it, then obviously the NUMERai will not be smart. But if a lot of people are doing it in the world, this can make Goldman Sachs, a bunch of the biggest banks in the world, literally obsolete. And real quick, if you're watching this, you probably know NUMERai, or you like it, or you're invested in it. So make sure you leave a like down below so more and more people can actually figure out about this. And subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any of my upcoming videos. And make sure you leave a comment down below about NUMERai, how long you've been in it, what do you think is going to happen in the next couple months with it, and what are your thoughts about it. So why do we need a platform like NUMERai? Well, the stock market is a very tricky game. As many of you know, it's hard to make money in the stock market, and it's going to become harder and harder now that AI bots and tools are out there that people can use. So it's going to be very difficult to beat these robots basically. And for example, today GameStop literally went from $90 up to $150, so it went up $60, and then within 2 hours it went down to $60. So from 90 up to 150 down to 60, that is ridiculous. It literally dropped about 60% in 1 hour. And this is a stock that probably a lot of people lost money in or made a ton of money in. And another stock was also Churchill Capital. For example, they were up about 20% for the day at $26, and then they went all the way down to $18 within an hour. And this company is rumored to merge with Lucid Motors. That's why there's a lot of interest in it. But anyways, these are two examples of what just happened today in a normal day with a couple of companies. So it's really difficult to forecast what's going to happen in any stock. So that's where the value comes into play with NUMERai.
There are too many hedge funds, all working in secrecy. The result is an endless duplication of research. This lack of originality leads to correlated and uninspired performance. Outsiders with original trading signals are stifled by high barriers to entry. NUMERai is now the first hedge fund to source original stock market signals built from any data set from anyone in the world with zero barriers. Submit a signal and get immediate feedback on its originality. Stake your submission with the NMR cryptocurrency and get paid for the quality and originality of your signal. The world needs exactly one hedge fund with every signal in the world.
So on TradingView, it shows that it came out around August of 2020 at around $50. But if you go check on Coinbase, they have information about it from June 2020. And you can see that it went up from $35 all the way up to $170 just for a quick moment. And then it went right back down to around $20, $10, and then it hit $5. And now it's around $27, so it's going up, and it's very interesting to see because it's slowly making higher lows. So as you can tell, since November, it's kind of found a base here at the bottom, and it's making higher highs right now as we speak for the past month and a half. And it seems like its trajectory is moving the other way, especially since the whole crypto market is doing very well. So I will not be surprised if this hits $50, even $100 in a month's time. Just because now with volatility going on in the market, you never know what can happen. And a lot of people might be interested in this technology, especially if you see a lot of volatility in the normal stock market. And if NUMERai can actually bring on and recruit developers and recruit stakeholders into their platform, then you'll see a lot more value into this. So how do you stake and how do you make money out of NUMERai, and what is their incentive program like? So basically, NUMERai wants accurate predictions and is willing to reward you for it. How much you earn or burn is a function of your performance and stake. So basically, the more accurate your predictions are, the more money you make. If your predictions are terrible, then you'll burn your money. You'll burn your NUMERai tokens. So if you want to learn more about the staking platform, I'll leave the link down below, so feel free to check them out. And right now the leaderboards look like this. So the number of NUMERai tokens staked on the platform is not much, actually. I would say maybe a couple thousand at most. And since the circulating supply is 4.5 million, then that means you have a really small amount that's being staked right now. Now, is that a good thing? Is that a bad thing? Well, if more and more people start staking, this will definitely push up the price of NUMERai, and hitting that $50 mark, $100 mark will become much easier. So that's why I said in the beginning that it really depends on how the marketing team does in NUMERai and how well they actually get their name out there. Another thing to consider with them is that they do have a large program for rewarding people. They did allocate about 50 million in cryptocurrency rewards for the most original signals. So they're waiting for people to come and actually give good advice to the system, give good algorithm, give good ways of solving problems that we see in the stock market. So they're welcoming all of it, and if you guys know and have solutions as to how to predict a stock, feel free to also check out the platform and create an account and start earning Numeraire today. Why not? So this is a very exciting technology, and I hope you guys see the value in it too. Again, I try to connect the stock market with it because it is literally the focus of this company, is to solve that and be the world's leading hedge fund and the best hedge fund in the world, like the only one. You won't need anything else because this is decentralized in a way that we can all benefit. So hopefully you also see the value in it. And if you did, make sure you leave a like, subscribe to my channel, and Mr. Mufleh out.